Hello everyone and welcome back to part 3. In this part I'll show you how you can shade your landscape using Blender's shader node. So let's get into the video. For the textures that I'm going to use in this video, I'll put the links in the description so you can download them for free and use them. Okay, here I am in my original blend file. I'm going to use Cycles Render Engine with 64 samples. Then let's split up any window from this corner. Then I'll change this to shader editor. If I jump to my rendered view, you can see that everything is black, so we have to add some lights to our scene. I don't want to add a sunlight to our scene. Instead, I like to use an HDR texture. So right here, click on the object and choose the world. Then we are going to create some temporary lightings for our scene. Right here, hit Ctrl T if you have Node Wrangler add-on is enabled. Then right here I'll open, then I'll navigate where I put those textures. I'll choose my spruce sunrise from paulheaven.com. Then I'll open my image. Then that's it, I got my image. Then I'll rotate this thing until I get something that I am satisfied with it. Something like this is great, but I don't like to see the background. So right here on our render properties under film, I'll turn on my transparency. Select our landscape, then I'll jump over to my object. Then I'll create a new material and I'll call this mountain. Then I'll add in my snow material. Again, I'll put the links in the description where you can download the image. So I'll hit Ctrl Shift T. Then from my snow material, I'll add in my color, roughness and displacement images. Then I'll remove those frames. Now you can see that we have something like this. I'll shade this thing smooth. I don't like the scaling, so I'll scale this snow material up. So I'll add in a value node like this and plug it into the scale. Then for me, I'll put the value around 6. That's great. Then I'll turn my displacement value down, so right here I'll turn the scale a bit down. I'll turn this to 0.11 for now, and that is great. So let's frame this node system. So I'll box select everything except the material output, Ctrl J. Then I'll rename this using function 2. Then I'll call this snow. Hit in color, then I'll choose in something that looks snow. Then under properties I'll turn this to 6.4. Then I'll make it a bit darker to see the label. And that's it for part 3. See you in the next part. And in the next part we are going to add the first rock texture.